What's up, high levelers? It's Andrew. We are talking documents and contracts today, which is one of my favorite topics. And we're going to be talking about custom values and leveraging opportunity specific custom values within our document and contract templates. Let me show you how it works. This is pretty straightforward as far as functionality goes, but I'm going to show you how you can use this in your business and why this is so important. When we're in payments under documents and contracts and under templates, we can open up any previous templates or open up a brand new one. And then we can see that we can now edit and include opportunity custom values within our own document and contract templates. For example, let's add in an element here being a text element. And then in this heading, we're going to include a custom value specific to this contact's opportunity. Now before, we've always had our custom values right here. So not only can we include custom values here, which will include any custom values on the account itself, contact specific, and then if we scroll down to custom fields, we'll now see opportunity details, which is really, really important in documents and contracts. I've personally had some use cases where I've needed this feature before. Now that we have it, we're going to be able to implement a lot more functionality and automation of the documents and contracts features. So you can see, again, we are under contact, go down to custom fields and then click opportunity details. And you can now see all of the different opportunity details within the document template. Not only does this include standard opportunity details like opportunity names, pipelines, stages, and things like that, but it also includes custom details that we've added to our opportunities. For example, what's your current monthly revenue? This is a detail that I've added specifically to my opportunities in this pipeline, and we can include that right here in our document, which makes it a lot easier for us to automate this in our processes and in our workflows. If you have any questions about how this feature works or anything about documents and contracts in general, leave a comment. As always, thank you so much for watching.